Make your founder's story shorter and more compelling by using numbers. Here's how. Hi, I'm Lynn Graft, and I help founders create and tell great stories. Numbers are fantastic for stories, but the problem is most founders either don't know what numbers to share or haven't spent the time to aggregate those numbers, or simply are sharing numbers that really aren't relevant to your story. What you want to do is find those numbers that are going to talk about your credibility, your level of experience in the industry, maybe the metrics that you've performed with the launch of your business, or validating the market. And I'll give you an example. For instance, I could talk about how over a period of time I filmed this person and this person, then I did this and that, or I could share over the last 18 years, I filmed 1,000 entrepreneurs, including some of the founders of Starbucks, LinkedIn, Whole Foods. In that short little sentence, I'm able to share with you breadth of experience, credibility about who I've filmed, and obviously the length of time to develop an expertise in this field. So what you want to do is find numbers for you that share that kind of purpose and drive. Another example, I had a fitness trainer that is a client of mine that had a decent following, but she wanted to charge more for her service, work less, and also start getting known on social media. So what we did, we spent time understanding how much time she had spent working in the industry, the level of expertise or hours she had spent in these master classes developing very specific skills so that you can teach people in certain little tracks, and then also how many classes she'd actually done personally and at group levels. We took all that information, rolled that into her bio. She not only was able to charge more, she got better paying clients that were fewer, so working less, and the press started writing about her. So once you learn how to take those numbers that explore your expertise or your history in this numerous manner, it's going to help you tell a better story, more compelling, and condense it at the same time.